Version 1, too small. Version 2, too long. Version 3, too wide. 4 times. I've printed this switch 4 times based on your comments. The design that made the most sense to me was to bump it up 250%, the whole thing. This makes it bigger, girthier, and wider. Over-engineered mechanical light switch. The final form, hopefully. Now, you can't just hit scale 250% and press print. This thing is massive. The backplate alone wouldn't fit on the build plate. Had to split it into 4 separate pieces. And here's the other problem nobody thinks about, the switch hole. At normal size, the hole lines up perfectly with a standard wall switch. At 250%, that hole is now 2.5 times too big. The switch just sits in there, doing nothing, looking lost. So I had to design an adapter, a custom piece just to bridge the gap between this absurdly large faceplate and a regular-sized switch. But when it works, listen to that. Every gear is bigger, every lever is longer. The mechanical advantage on this thing is genuinely ridiculous. Fun fact, there's a concept in engineering called over-design factor. It's the ratio of how strong something is versus how strong it actually needs to be. Bridges use a factor of about 2, elevators about 11. This light switch? I don't even want to do the math. 4 versions, 4 prints. One question that still doesn't have an answer. What does bigger mean? Drop your answer, I dare you, because clearly we're doing version 5. Save this. Follow for more unnecessary engineering. Every layer matters, and so do you.